Hello and welcome to the Swenglish adventure.
This week we're away in the van again and we've randomly found an absolute beauty of a spot.
Our half English, half Swedish family is currently exploring beautiful Sweden in our little 19-year-old Opel Vivaro that we've worked really hard to turn into a simple DIY campervan. Today we've stumbled upon a stunning lakeside spot to spend the night, so hit the subscribe button and tag along with us.
So far the drive's been really nice. It's been like lovely roads and obviously the sun's out and stuff, so a lot of trees. The place where we went the other night was like mostly forest. You were driving through a forest on a gravel road for like 25 minutes or something.
Yeah.
But this is my sort of road. I'm not a gravel road sort of person.
You don't like the small roads in Sweden, do you?
No, I'm not really used to them. There's some crazy tight roads and people drive like maniacs around.
It's always 70 roads, isn't it?
Yeah, imagine driving 70 down. Well, even like this, it's super thin, but at least this is asphalt and not just a dirt road.
You, sensitive English people.
I'm not sensitive, I'm not moaning about it, I'm just saying. If I could choose between a gravel road or a paved asphalt road, no competition. What do we think?
Oh, it feels amazing.
Have we found the spot?
Yeah, it feels great.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, I think it feels really nice.
Yeah.
It wasn't even on Park for night or anywhere, was it?
No.
We didn't see it marked or anything, so
No.
it almost feels, well, it's perfect. We've got our
Yeah.
own little beach and everything, look.
Yeah.
What do you think? Are we at a good spot? Should we stay here for the night?
Yeah.
Yeah, good idea. Our own little private beach.
Yeah.
Good spot for the van.
It's lovely.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's one of those hidden gems.
Yeah.
It almost feels a little bit sweeter even when you just randomly find somewhere like this. We thought when we were pulling in that we'll just sort of stop, let the kids stretch their legs and then carry on to a different place, but that'd be stupid. So just sort of hanging out on the beach for half an hour maybe. Gonna set up the grill, maybe crack a beer.
I think it's past beer o'clock.
Is it? Is it past beer o'clock? Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah.
It's actually not that cold.
Have a little dip, see if it's cold then.
Is it cozy? You guys love to be in the van.
This is what it's all about, eh kids? Tunes on, grill lit. Admittedly it's kids songs, but that's what's good, isn't it, sometimes?
Yeah.
What do you think, Bella? You've been demoted to the pushchair, haven't you? Because you kept eating stones when you were sat on the floor. Hey, did you keep eating stones? You little rascal, you're jailed. What do we think, kids? Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Hot dogs,
Yeah.
simple dinner today,
Yeah.
bit of music.
Yeah.
Sitting on the beach with some music and a dinner.
Yeah,
Charlie can throw how many stones in the water as he wants at
Yeah.
the same time as he's eating hot dogs. That
Yeah.
was hard to say. It's a good dinner. Say nice. Did you eat enough? Yeah. What are you gonna eat for dessert? Stones. Yeah. It's been a bit of a chaotic afternoon.
It has. It's been very chaotic. It's been a chaotic evening. We were ready for bedtime, all of us, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've got the speaker out for a bit of music, but actually it's pretty
Isn't-
nice
it's
just
nice
to be
to just-
calm. Nice to be a bit of silence
enjoy the
sometimes
silence,
after a couple of hours of screaming.
Not screaming as in crying.
No, just
Charlie's just in the phase where he thinks it's very fun to shout everything that he says.
yeah. You described it best earlier. It's happy chaos.
Yeah.
It's chaos. It's happy. Yeah, but it's chaos.
Yeah, as long as it's happy chaos, I'm alright with it.
Yeah.
As long as it's not kids who think it's boring or sad because they want to go home.
Yeah, it's definitely
as-
not that. It's definitely
No.
not that they're bored and whatever.
Our
It's the
chaos
opposite.
is that they get too excited and they don't know how to calm down and relax.
Yeah.
They think that life is too much fun, and that I can accept very well, actually.
Yeah, exactly.
It's nice when they sleep after a night like that, but
You're always ready for nap time, aren't you?
I can't complain. I love it to see them this happy as they are when we're out in the van.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
And this is only the second time, and they're just loving life.
They
and
are.
There's nothing better.
No, exactly. But I think we're just going to hang out here, not really do much, maybe build a little fire. There's been a lot of small insects and stuff, and the fire tends to keep them away, so might build a little fire, just enjoy the sunset. And that's about it for the evening, isn't it?
Yeah,
Cool.
cool. We'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, see you in a bit. Hey, say morning. Did you sleep well?
Hey.
Was it good? Did you have a nice sleep?
Yeah.
It's good. We got van life babies, haven't we? Hey,
Yeah.
you two. Loving it, aren't you?
Yeah, 3 minutes after Charlie woke up, he wanted to go down to the beach and throw stones. So I bribed him with the iPad, so let's see how long this works.
Not long, I imagine. Has Charlie won?
Yeah.
Mama.
Oh.
What are you doing, Charlie? What are you doing? Where are you going? Ah, good idea, mate. We always forget something. It's always at least one thing. This time it's camping cups. So we're having coffee in plastic wine glasses. But at least it's going to be coffee. Could have been worse. We could have forgot that. What are we thinking? Breakfast and coffee on the beach?
Yeah. Yeah, just packing up a bit in our fancy beach bag.
We are fancy, aren't we? We live in the high life, we are.
Posh is the word to describe us.
Yeah. What are we doing, guys?
Just going for an adventure.
Little adventure, see what's
Yeah.
around.
Yeah. Entertain with something else but just throwing stones.
Yeah,
And a bit for us, to be honest.
yeah, it's nice to see what's around and
Yeah.
stuff, isn't it? It still like blows me away a little bit that we've got such nice places like this, like really close to where we live. Like it's really nice. We've got sort of 3 or 4 places, like lakes, we can drive to within like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And like this place, you know, it took us a little while to get here because we tried a couple of places first. But I think if we go straight home, it'll take us about an hour.
I don't even know if it takes that.
Do you not think?
No.
So it's just like, yeah, it makes me like so appreciative that we can just come out and do stuff like this.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think that's one of the most amazing things about Sweden, that there's just so much like beautiful nature sort of thing.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's great for people like us who like being outside a lot. Where are we going, Charlie? Are we going to throw stones in the water for a change? Yeah, we've gone out for a walk to get away from throwing stones in the water. And now we're going to go and throw some stones in the water. Best activity ever, isn't it?
Yeah.
And a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
What an amazing couple of days it's been, eh?
Yeah, it's been amazing.
It's been so good, hasn't it? We've been so lucky to find this spot. It feels even like a little bit more sweet that we sort of found this place randomly, you know? The place where we were looking at going first was obviously taken, and this was just a sort of random little spot that we stumbled upon. And I think that's just made it even better, sort of thing.
Definitely.
So yeah, so we don't really feel like going home, to be honest, do we?
No.
But sometimes it's got to be done. But we've got plenty more planned for the next few weeks. The sun looks like it's here to stay for a bit, so definitely hit the subscribe button, stick around and see where we end up next. That's it for now. See you next time. Bye.